Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll receive the notification for our upcoming videos. Today in this video we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which is seemingly appears in grainy images showcase dual punch hole notch. Well, don't take test devices out in the public if you want to keep them under wraps. That is our advice to the OEMs in the lead up to a major unveiling. Well, that hasn't stopped what looks like the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus from appearing on public transport in South Korea, giving us potentially the first glimpse of the biggest device in the Galaxy S10 lineup. We believe that the original image was posted on Reddit or at least shared there first and shows the dual punch hole display cutout in the upper right of the display in real life for very first time. One thing you can notice from the images is the status bar seems to have dipped down to accommodate the extra real estate taken up by this punch hole. The rest of this proposed Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus looks very much like the render we have seen already and seems to be in a slim flip case. We would try to decipher the status bar, but the grainy nature of the images means it's difficult to really work out exactly how Samsung plan on handling this display accessory. The usual time and battery status indicators have obviously shifted to the left, but beyond it's a case of too much JPG to work out the reminders of the status bar. Another weird point we have noticed is the inclusion of the on-screen navigation button down by that silver of chin. That's not exactly anything shocking, just something that seems a bit at odds with the gesture brought in with Samsung own One UI and Android Pie. Well, this is my personal opinion. Maybe this employee doesn't play nicely with the gesture method. It's interesting even just to get a glimpse of the slightly wider display cutout to compare and contrast it to a single dot hole. We are intrigued to see how this will affect the overall UI, as there will have to be accommodation made in One UI just for this extra notch space. We are not sure if we like this dual punch hole quite as much as the singular display cutout that we have already seen on the Honor View 20 and the Samsung Galaxy A8s. I suppose we don't have much longer to wait, with the announcement just over a month away on February 20 in San Francisco. We are waiting for your valuable comments about our analysis on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and tell us in the comments below how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel My Technological World too. So till the next video, thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.